In this video, we are going to learn how to create a record using ScreenFlow. So for this purpose, I've created a custom object called stock, and we'll be filling two fields, stock name and quantity, using the ScreenFlow. So ScreenFlow is usually used to have an interaction between the user, so you can create it for multiple purposes, like creating a guided path or capturing details from the user with a different UI. So I'm going to go to flows and create a new flow. Going to select ScreenFlow. So first I'm going to add the screen component. So here I'm going to give it a name. Call it stock update. I'm going to add a text field for the name. I'm going to call it name. And then I'm going to add a number field for the quantity. Now that this is done, we need to get those values and create a record. So I'll create stock and name. I'll be using separate resources and literal values. Search which object that we want to create, and now we need to map the fields to the values which we got from the ScreenFlow. So I'm going to select name, and if you see under screen components, you can select the name over here. I'm going to add another field for the quantity. I'm going to select quantity, and under screen components, I'm going to select this one. Click done. So now that the records will be created, we need another screen to provide feedback to the user if the record has been created or not. So just to create another screen with the text. Assets, and here call it stock created. Now I'm going to connect all these components together. Okay. Save the flow, and now I'm going to debug it. So let's see if this flow works. Okay, I'm going to give a name, test, quantity 200. If this gets created, as you can see, the record was created. Now let's go to the front end and see if you can view it here. So here you can see a new record has been created. So you can do this for various complex processes by using the same method, and also use it to get details from communities or within Salesforce, etc. Thank you.